I like watching movies on my phone, and I love it when they just play.
Games gotta be real, especially on my phone. I want the best.
My photos are my memories. Precious moments are everything, and they have to be awesome.
Working from anywhere is so easy now. I love getting so many things done.
My phone has all my personal stuff, and I want to keep it safe.
My mobile is part of my life. I don't want to worry about the battery. Say hi to Daddy.
Welcome everybody. Thanks for joining us. I'm glad to be with you. Last year was extremely difficult for everyone, but we are optimistic at this moment. Just think how fast we develop vaccines. I think it is an amazing human triumph. So does Exynos team. It makes me think of young bird trying harder to break free and fly. That is the spirit of our team, and very proud of our achievement. So today, we are back with the brand new game-changing technologies, and here it is, the all-new Exynos 2100.
Hello everyone, thanks for being with us today. Exynos is already the heart and soul of billions of mobile devices around the world. And the Exynos 2100 makes it even better. It's our first flagship processor based on the 5nm EUV process. It uses the most advanced fine node technology for exceptional performance and efficient power consumption. And critically, we moved to a 5nm process. Compared with 7nm processors, 5nm gives you an amazing 10% increase in performance and 20% less power consumption. Let's take a closer look. The Exynos 2100 is built around 8 powerful cores with a tri-cluster CPU architecture, including ARM's powerful Cortex-X1 core running at 2.9 GHz, 3 high-performance Cortex-A78 cores, and 4 power-efficient A55 cores. The powerful Cortex-X1 core is customized for Exynos through the Cortex-X custom program in close collaboration with ARM. And for faster and more efficient operation, we enhanced all the key elements inside the chip, offering better cache memory, a stronger scheduler, and more efficient voltage control. The result is more than 30% better performance than its predecessor. The GPU is also an important part of this story today, as consumers increasingly turn to their devices for videos, games, and even AI. The industry is pushing ahead with more powerful graphics engines. So, the Exynos 2100 integrates ARM's most advanced graphic engine, the Mali G78. It has 14 incredibly powerful graphics engines, offering more than 40% boost in performance. All GPU cores are optimized to enable a smoother, truly stunning, and seamless graphics experience. And we want to make sure our users can enjoy that powerful graphics performance for as long as possible. So we developed a solution for reducing power consumption. We call it Amigo, short for Advanced Multi-IP Governor. It helps your battery keep up during intense graphics operations like 3D gaming or 4K and 8K videos. Bottom line, the Exynos 2100 is our most powerful processor to date, built from the ground up to deliver the ultimate mobile computing experience to consumers. It strikes the perfect balance between three key pillars: a powerful CPU, a blazing fast GPU, and ultra-efficient power consumption. Now, let's take a look ahead at how it impacts AI and multimedia. And for that, here's my colleague Seokwan Lim.
Thanks, Junsuk. AI has endless power to transform our daily lives and revolutionize our industry landscape. Samsung Exynos processors lead the way for on-device AI. And we optimize speed and power efficiency, delivering the cutting-edge performance needed to maximize on-device AI processing power. When we first introduced the NPU on our Exynos processor in 2018, it operated at 1.9 teraops per second. Just 1 year later, we increased that to 15, dramatically boosting AI performance. And by upgrading the design and performance of NPUs and DSPs, Exynos 2100 can deliver AI speeds of up to 26 TOPS. It integrates 3 powerful NPU cores, more than triples the number of frames per second. But we also know that more performance means more power consumption. So we made some careful architectural choices, including a feature map compressor, to increase the power efficiency by a factor of 2. This powerful and efficient AI engine delivers game-changing performance for functions that users can benefit from every day. And the first one that comes to mind is the camera. Whenever a new smartphone comes out, consumers focus on the camera. So we built the Exynos 2100 with enhanced NPU and ISP. The ISP integrates advanced algorithms to improve picture quality even further, elevating everyday photography to a pro-level experience. The advanced ISP also supports cameras up to 200 megapixels and connects up to 6 individual image sensors for multi-camera setups. At the moment when you point and shoot, the ISP works to understand the scene. It also recognizes and classifies objects like faces, hair, sky, trees, and flowers. That helps Exynos 2100 to optimize the color, white balance, sharpness, noise, exposure, and even dynamic range. We also enhanced the video experience with our specialized multi-frame processing engine. And we added an advanced multi-format codec that supports 4K recording at 120 frames per second and 8K playback at 60 frames per second. We're also the first in the industry to incorporate the AV1 decoder for 8K resolution video. And with enhanced low-power processing, you can enjoy 4K and 8K videos longer than ever before. Now, one of the mobile technologies that make a big difference for all these things is super fast data speeds. And that means 5G. Let me turn the stage over to my colleague Olivia Kim. She'll tell you how we've prepared the 5G era with the Exynos 2100.
Thanks, Seokwan. The 5G revolution is right in front of us, and it's going to be amazing. With hyperspeed connectivity, it brings to life so many amazing services, from true autonomous driving to billions of IoT sensors, VR, and so much more. At Samsung, we're addressing this by staying at the cutting edge. Each new Exynos generation incorporates the most advanced connectivity possible. We released the world's first commercial LTE modem in 2009, and in 2018, we implemented OTA 5G in our data calls, and later introduced the first 5G modem chip with 6 gigabps data speeds. 2021 will see the second phase of commercial 5G services beginning in more markets around the world with increased availability of millimeter wave services. We'll also see a wider range of 5G devices with broader feature sets. And we need to be ready with a wider selection of 5G chipsets. And that's where the Exynos 2100 comes in. It is Samsung's first top-tier 5G integrated mobile processor built for premium smartphones. It integrates the AP and 5G into a single chip, saving space, cutting costs, and reducing power consumption. It also supports both sub-6 GHz and the millimeter wave spectrum. The result is blazing fast downloads of 7.35 Gbps in millimeter wave and 5.1 Gbps in sub-6 GHz. Now, before we close, I do want to say a few words about device security because we know that our smartphones have become more vulnerable. Think about all those financial transactions we do. Our phone even holds our biometric info, and all the data should be tightly protected. So, since the release of Android 9, hardware-backed security has become a requirement, with the need to offer a strong box key master. In fact, we have integrated security into the hardware since Exynos 990, and the new Exynos 2100 embedded secure elements makes it even stronger. So, that's it for our product introduction. Before we say goodbye, let's give the last word to Inyeop-kang.
First off, thanks to the Exynos team today, we unveiled our most advanced mobile processor yet. It's going to create premium mobile computing experiences. And we won't stop here. We are working together with AMD. We'll have next generation mobile GPU in the next flagship product. That's our mission, and with the support and inspiration from our users and fans, we'll continue to leapfrog. Today, it is my great pleasure to announce that Exynos is back. Please be safe. Thank you very much.